Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for Lane Bryant credit card. If you don't have a Lane Bryant account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website. Here, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Lane Bryant credit card at the bottom right part of the screen. Then you will see a button that says Apply Now. Click on Apply Now. On this page, you will see again an option for Apply Now. Click on Apply Now. Now, enter all the required information. After entering all the required information, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom of this page, review the following details about the consent agreement. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the tick box beside I consent to the terms and conditions. Lastly, click on Submit Application. That's how you apply for Lane Bryant credit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.